We're going to make cheesy chicken stuffing casserole. We're starting with 2 pounds of chicken breast in there, and we're going to put 1 can of cream of chicken soup right on top of it. And once you get your cream of chicken nice and scraped out, we're also going to put 1 cup of sour cream, which is about half of this container. Go ahead and scoop that out. Got some nice creamy flavor going on. Then we're going to throw a couple seasonings on there. I'm going to do about a teaspoon or so of garlic powder. I'm going to do 2 teaspoons actually. And about a half teaspoon of black pepper. And we're going to do 3/4 cup of chicken broth over all that. Once you got your chicken broth in there, go ahead and stir this around a little bit. And once you've stirred that around a little bit, we're going to take 1 package of chicken stuffing and just sprinkle it over the top. Try to get it evenly over the top. You don't want to stir it or anything. Just get it evenly over the top. You can kind of gently, if you want to spread it around with your hand a little bit, spread it around. And then we're going to go ahead and put our lid on, and we're going to cook this on high for 3 to 4 hours. All right, y'all, after 3 to 4 hours, go ahead and take your lid off. We want to take the chicken out of there, and we're going to shred it over here on this plate. Ooh, it's already coming apart very easily. Go ahead and start shredding your chicken. All right, once you got that nice and shredded up, we can go ahead and put it back into our crock pot here. And then let's just gently stir that around to get all that mixture and stuffing kind of mixed together. All right, once you've given that a gentle stir, we're going to put 1.5 cups of shredded sharp cheddar cheese over the top of it. Just get that nice and spread evenly over the top. And once you put your cheese on there, go ahead and put your lid on, and we're going to cook this for another 10 to 15 minutes till that gets nice and melted. All right, and after 10 to 15 minutes, that cheese should be nice and melted, and this baby's ready to go. Let's give it a try, folks. Oh my goodness, look at that, y'all. Oh yeah. Y'all, it might be a little early to talk about this, but if you're looking for a Thanksgiving recipe that kind of shakes it up a little bit, but still is going to please everybody, give this a try. Trust me, folks.